Welcome to the third day of the Nusa Islands Blogger Workshop. Just had breakfast at Indica Restaurant, awesome acai bowls and a great way to start the morning. We're here at Tamarind Resort for 4 days and this is the second day at this beautiful resort. Today we're heading to Nusa Ceningan. We're going to do some cliff jumping, explore some epic beaches and create some fresh content before heading back to the resort tonight, working on workshop number 4.
Guys, that blue is bluer than my eyes, and that doesn't happen too often. You know what I'm saying?
You know, just hanging out, posting some Instagram stuff. I just went live for the first time. It's good, you know, it's a good location. This milky blue water, it's excellent.
My favourite thing would be getting home after an adventure, sitting behind the computer and just looking at what unfolded during the day.
It's day 4 and the focus of today is content creation. We've spent the morning producing photos and videos around the hotel and we're about to go have lunch at the Indica Restaurant, so let's go eat.
I think that it looks good this way.
Yeah.
Because we'll crop in the bottom anyway.
I'm scanning some over-unders of Jade and Jake. You check and see if you got anything good.
Alrighty.